Authority has issued a blue alert for the following counties or areas: all of Texas, beginning at 8:36 p.m. and ending at 8:36 a.m. This is a statewide blue alert issued at the request of the El Dorado Police Department, the Texas Department of Public Safety, in conjunction with the Federal Bureau of Investigation, relayed by the Technophonetic Weather and Storm Trackers team. The Federal Bureau of Investigation is looking for a suspect responsible for the wounding of 2 immigration and customs enforcement officers and an El Dorado Police Department officer at the Prairieland Detention Center. The suspect is Benjamin Song. Song is a 32-year-old Asian male, 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. The FBI is giving out a $25,000 reward for information on his whereabouts. If you have information, do not hesitate to contact the FBI at 1-800-CALL-FBI or make a digital anonymous tip at FBI.gov/Prairieland. The Technophonetic Weather and Storm Trackers team advises that Song has been confirmed armed and dangerous and should not be apprehended, and instead, you must contact the FBI field office in Dallas at 972-559-5000. Stay safe, stay secure, and stay vigilant.